Did you know there's a way to take a chunk out of your tax bill dollar for dollar? It's one of those opportunities that most people don't take full advantage of, but it can mean serious savings when tax season rolls around. If you've ever felt like you're paying too much in taxes, this is a conversation you'll definitely want to stick around for. We're talking about tax credits. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is a tax credit? Simply put, a tax credit is an amount of money that you can subtract directly from the taxes you owe. It's different from tax deductions, which lower your taxable income. A tax credit reduces the actual tax bill dollar for dollar. For example, if you owed $2,000 in taxes and have a $500 tax credit, you only owe $1,500. Pretty cool, right? Tax credits have been around for decades and were introduced as a way for the government to encourage certain behaviors or provide financial relief to those who need it most. Whether it's supporting families, encouraging education, or promoting energy efficiency, tax credits are designed to help both individuals and businesses by reducing their overall tax burden. There are three main categories of tax credits. There are refundable credits, which means that the credit is more than what you owe in taxes. You can get the difference back as a refund. Then there are non-refundable credits, which can reduce your tax bill to zero, but they won't put extra money in your pocket if the credit exceeds what you owe. And finally, there are partially refundable credits. These are kind of a mix of the two. The credit might reduce your tax bill and still give you a little refund if there's some left over. The key thing to remember is that credits, especially refundable ones, can sometimes mean getting money back, even if you don't owe any taxes at all. Some examples of tax credits you might have heard of include child tax credits, which helps parents out, or earned income tax credits, which is aimed at lower income workers. There's also the energy tax credit, which incentivizes the development of solar or alternative energy. These are the kinds of credits that can really add up if you qualify for them. If you want to learn more about some of the different kinds of tax credits, we've put together a comprehensive tax credit table that includes over 30 tax credits that are designed to potentially maximize your savings. The best part, it's totally free. To download this table, type in the URL below, scan the QR code on the screen, or click on the link in the description of this video to download it. Now you might be wondering how to claim a tax credit. It's not too hard or complicated, but it does require you pay attention when you're doing your taxes. Usually you'll claim credits directly on your tax return, and you might have to fill out a specific form for some of them. If you're using tax software, it will often prompt you for the information it needs to see if you qualify for any credits. But there's an important tip. Don't assume the software or even your tax preparer will catch everything. It's worth doing a little research yourself or asking about specific credits that might apply to your situation. Book a free 15-minute discovery call with us and we can help you through your specific situation, see which tax credits might be right for you, and answer any questions you may have. Now that you know how tax credits can seriously reduce your tax bill, it's time to take action. Don't let these opportunities slip by. Every dollar counts, and tax credits are one of the most effective ways to keep more of your hard-earned money. See you in the next video.